video is going to be another exciting one because it is going to be about the Yeezy Boost 700 V2s in the static colorway. Now this is set to drop this Saturday, the 29th of December, and the retail price is 380 Australian dollars. Now before we get into the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you're into Yeezys, and please subscribe to my channel because I post 2 videos a week, and let's just get into it. So here we have the Yeezy 700 V2s in the static colorway. Now these have been pretty hyped for a while now, and they're finally dropping this Saturday, the 29th of December, and I feel like a lot of people will be trying to get their hands on a pair of these, but I heard the quantities on these are pretty low, so it's going to be a little bit difficult to cop. And a good indication is that a lot of places that will be dropping them are running raffles for them, so that means, you know, it's not going to be easy, and because of that, that also means that the resale value is going to be pretty high, but for good reason, because these look super cool. I'm a huge fan of these sneakers, and by the way, I mean in Australia. I'm not too sure what's happening in the States, whether you guys do lineup or raffles. Now we all know that this is the V2 and this is the V1, so this is the updated version of the 700s, but you can see some sort of similarities between the two. So you can see that they've actually kept the midsole and the outsole the same as the previous model, and you have the full-length boost, so you can be assured that these are going to be super comfy. But personally for me, I feel like the 700s are not as comfy as the 350 V2s, but having said that, it doesn't mean it's not comfortable, it just not as comfortable, but it still feels good on feet. In terms of sizing, a lot of people say these fit true to size, so you can either go true to size, but for me, again, I feel like you could go half a size up. The toe box area is a little bit shallow. Either that or I have like long ass toes, okay, but I feel like you could go half a size up as well, or true to size. Really depends on how you want it to fit. And let's just go through the differences between the V1s and the V2s. So they pretty much updated the upper of the sneaker. You can see that it is a mix of mesh, suede, and leather, and a kind of prime knit material, as well as the 3M reflective detail. You can see with the toe box, there is some sort of similarities with the V1 and V2s. There's still this like tooth-shaped suede paneling over here, and then on the side they've just overlaid it differently, but you still get that old school dad sneaker vibe. The colorway is a mix of a creamy white and gray, and I feel like it's such a good combination of color. With such a neutral colorway, this will definitely be super popular. The laces on these are also reflective, so if you take a closer look, you can see that they've woven through some reflective thread throughout the laces. So if you're in low lighting, or if you take a photo with flash, that's when you can really see all the reflective details come through, and I am a huge fan of anything 3M this year. Oh, another thing I've noticed is also the tongue. So when you look at the tongue of the V1s, you can see that it is free and it can move around, but then with the Mauve colorway, they've actually updated it here as well, and they've included like an elastic band to hold the tongue down. And then when it came to the V2s, they were like, you know what, fuck it, we're just gonna stitch it onto the shoe, so it actually doesn't move. It is like in a permanent position, so maybe that's part of the design. Maybe it makes it, you know, I don't know why they did that, but yeah, it's not a bad thing. I just noticed that it's a bit of a change. So yeah guys, that's pretty much all I have to say about the Yeezy 700 V2 statics. Now I'm a huge fan of this colorway and this silhouette in general, so if you're into that shoe vibe, I feel like you would definitely be a fan of these. Again, I feel like places will be running raffles for them, so I'll leave all the release details in the description bar below so you guys can check it out, and let me know in the comments what you think about this silhouette, about this colorway. I would love to know. And thank you so much for watching this video. And also, if you guys are interested about the Yeezy 350 V2s in the static colorway, I actually just posted a video about them, so make sure you head to my channel to check it out. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because I post 2 videos a week, so you guys don't want to miss out, and I will see you guys really soon. Bye. So here we have the Yeezy 700s in the V2, bitch. I'm pretty sure maybe Adidas online will be... Okay, I'm talking shit now. Alright, just forget everything I just said. So it's not going to be as easy as in cop. It's not going to be as easy as a... It's not going to be as easy off a cop. The fuck? See, there are some sort of similarities, so we'll go through that really soon, but... So we'll go through that now. Soon, what are you waiting for? Now, as you guys already know, I'm a huge fan...